good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Lynette Ramos, 27 years old. I have one daughter, 12 years old, and I am married.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and I am the youngest.
Okay. What is your educational attainment?
I am a vocational graduate and that is cookery.
So you finished cookery
Yes,
education. How long you studied in cooking?
2 months, ma'am.
2 months. So this is TESDA, NC2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you ever worked before abroad?
No, ma'am.
So you have experience before as a helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Here in Philippines, ma'am.
How long?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
3 members, ma'am.
What?
1 couple and 2 years old boy and 1 dog.
So they have dog.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do cleaning the house, taking care of the child and the dog, cooking, marketing, washing dishes, and laundry, ma'am.
You love to cook.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Aside from high salary, ma'am, Hong Kong is the nearest part of the Philippines, and
Your main reason why you want to go abroad and work there?
I want to help my family and secure my daughter's future, ma'am.
Okay. Who will look for your daughter if you're going to Hong Kong?
My husband and my mother-in-law, ma'am.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how or to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you control your homesickness if you were in Hong Kong?
If I have a time, ma'am, I will call my family and I will focus on my work, ma'am.
Okay. And are you willing to care of a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about sharing room with
Yes.
the family, one of the family members? Is that okay
Yes.
for you? Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
You love kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
If there is an emergency here in the Philippines, will you promise not to go home?
No, ma'am, I will not go home. I will call them.
Okay. So, will you promise to finish your contract then?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hello, ma'am and sir. Please do hire me. I will promise you I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will take care of your child as my own, ma'am and sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2344.